anniversary of identity theft. That's why I'm a member of LifeLock. Absolutely no one protects you better than LifeLock, and they stand behind their protection with the power of their $1 million service guarantee. In fact, last year, LifeLock protected over 2 million people during the holidays, and now they can do it for you. Try LifeLock's protection 60 days risk-free.
Call 1-800-533-6740 or go to lifelock.com/holidays. It only takes minutes to sign up. Use promo code HOLIDAYS. Order now and get a special holiday gift. A document shredder to keep sensitive documents out of the wrong hands. A $29 value, free. Call 1-800-533-6740